Hello, my friend, and welcome to your 5-minute meditation. We'll begin in just a moment, but first I'd like to share a brief story about my first time meditating. I started meditating in a group at a yoga studio with people who had been meditating for quite a while. And I remember looking around and seeing people who seemed to be at peace, closing their eyes and being quiet, and yet what was happening for me was these storms of anxiety or these thought trains that would get me so deep down a rabbit hole of thinking that I felt like I was almost in a movie. And I wasn't really quite sure if I was doing it right or if I was getting the benefits from the practice. It wasn't until many years later, and cycling through different teachers who explained things in different ways that I connected to differently, that I realized meditation is not about quieting your mind. Meditation is about being okay with what's in your mind. And that over time, if we sit and we have a regular practice of that, over time, the content of what's in our mind adjusts and changes naturally without so much intervention on our part. So I'd like to guide us through a short exercise today to help us get to that benevolent indifference, that not minding whatever it is that is happening in our experience. So join me by sitting, standing, lying down, wherever is comfortable. And for this practice, feel free to close your eyes if you like that. Start by simply breathing in and out through the nose, nice and low in your belly. And now become aware of everything that you're hearing. Maybe you're hearing some springtime birds from the video. Maybe there's sirens or a trash can or some kiddos running around. Actually, the more cluttered the environment, the better in some ways. Because here you get to practice letting everything into your hearing and seeing if you can soften your need to react to it. So that every moment you're becoming increasingly more and more okay with whatever it is that you're hearing. Become so okay with what you're hearing that if you dialed it way down and everything became super silent, or if you dialed it way up and it became very, very loud, that you would be okay, you would be unfazed for any of that. Now we'll do the same exercise with our sense of touch. Begin to become aware of your skin, the boundary of your skin. Everything on the inside of your skin you call you. Everything on the outside of your skin you call the world. And we'd like to make that distinction a little bit more blurry, a little bit more hazy. Because when we feel at one connected part of the world in our environment, we feel better. When we feel separate and isolated, we don't feel very good. So as you become aware of your skin, become aware of the air around your skin, and the clothes on top of your skin, any pressure on your skin from a chair, from the floor. Allow the difference between your skin and the air. Allow that difference to start blurring out a little bit. So you're not quite sure where your body ends and the rest of the world begins. You're not sure at all. You're welcome to continue doing this for another several minutes on your own. When you are ready to emerge, simply blink your eyes open a few times. Let your facial muscles be soft as the eyes open and they take in light. But don't let the eyes grab onto anything right away. Let the vision be expansive, where you're taking in everything that you're seeing. Great job today in our brief 5-minute meditation. We have a few more on our channel if you'd like to continue exploring some meditations, some body movement. We have a ton of yoga classes on our channel as well. And I hope that all of these resources help you feel more calm, more at ease, more connected to your body and to yourself every single day. Thank you so much.